Good morning, guys. I am Sunil and this is MS Classes. So, guys, I am here to teach you one new topic on linear equation in two variables. This is the most important question. So, question number 4, exercise 4.3. Right. So, here the taxi fare in a city is as follows. तो क्या है यहाँ पे एक गाड़ी का किराया है किसी भी शहर के अंदर. फॉर द फर्स्ट किलोमीटर द फेयर इज ₹8. पहले किलोमीटर के लिए कितना किराया? 8 रुपये. एंड फॉर द सब्सिक्वेंट डिस्टेंस इट इज ₹5 पर किलोमीटर. और अगले हर एक किलोमीटर के लिए किराया कितना है? 5 रुपीज़ पर किलोमीटर. टेकिंग डिस्टेंस कवर एज x किलोमीटर. टोटल डिस्टेंस x किलोमीटर है एंड टोटल फेयर इज ₹y. टोटल किराया कितना है? y रुपीज़. सो राइट द लीनियर इक्वेशन फॉर द इंफॉर्मेशन. इस इंफॉर्मेशन के अकॉर्डिंग क्या करना है आपको? लीनियर इक्वेशन लिखनी है एंड ड्रा द ग्राफ. ये आपका क्वेश्चन है. क्या क्वेश्चन है? किसी सिटी के अंदर फर्स्ट किलोमीटर के लिए किराया किसी कार का 8 रुपये. नेक्स्ट पर किलोमीटर के हिसाब से किराया 5 रुपीज़. राइट. सो टोटल किराया y रुपीज़ है एंड टोटल डिस्टेंस x किलोमीटर है. सो वी हैव टू मेक अ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू प्लॉट अ graph. First of all, given solution is given that total distance is x kilometer and total fare is ₹by. Right. So fare for first kilometer is ₹8. Right. So fare for first kilometer is ₹8 and for subsequent kilometer is ₹5. Right. 5 rupees per kilometer. So first of all we make a diagram. Let this is total distance x kilometer. Right. And total fare is ₹y. According to question, your first kilometer, 1 kilometer is ₹8. 1 kilometer ₹8. 8 रुपये लग गए पहले किलोमीटर के लिए. एंड देन वी हैव हाउ मेनी किलोमीटर्स लेफ्ट? x minus 1 kilometer left. Then how many rupees we spent, passenger spent for the subsequent distance? This is ₹5 into distance covered by this point to this point. This is x minus 1. Right. So we have to add these two fare and total fare is y. So now according to question, this is important question. You have to draw the diagram first. For first kilometer ₹8. Next x minus 1 kilometer ₹5. So you have fare for x kilometer is 8 rupees plus ₹5 into x minus 1 is equal to y. This is your equation. Now we have to remove, multiply this one. This is 8 plus 5 into x. This is 5x. 5 into 1. This is 5. And this is sign will be negative. And this one is equal to y only. We have to write our equation like this. So when we have 5x 8 minus 5, this is only plus 3, and we take y from right to left, this is minus y is equal to 0, and this one is 5x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is our equation, sorry, not minus 3, this is plus 3, because 8 will be positive and a bigger sign goes with the answer, right? So 5x plus 8 minus 5, this is plus 3, and y goes from right to left, this is minus, and we have equation 5x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. This is our equation from your information. Now we have to find out the solution. Now 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Then we take minus y to left side, and other things goes to right side. When we take something from left to right, all sign will change. So positive 5x convert into negative 5x. So this is minus 5x, and plus 3 will become minus 3. Now we multiply this whole equation with minus 1, it will become plus y plus 5x and plus 3 if we multiply whole equation with the minus 1. So minus 1 into y, this is plus y, minus 1 into 5x, this is 5x, minus 1 into minus 3, this is plus 3. So guys, we put the value of x in this equation. Let this equation number 1. So put x is equal to 0 in equation 1. We get y is equal to 5 into 0 plus 3. This is equal to 0 plus 3, and this is equal to 3 only. Therefore x comma y is equal to, here x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3, and this is your first coordinate, right? This is first coordinate. We have to make 3 coordinate. How can we make 3 coordinate? We put the value of x in equation number 1. We have put x is equal to 0. Now we put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. We get y is equal to 5 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3, this equal to 8. Therefore x comma y is equal to 1 comma 8. Right guys, if I take one negative point, then put x is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. We get y is equal to 5 into minus 1 plus 3, and this is equal to 5 into minus 1 minus 5 plus 3, and this is equal to minus 2. So your coordinate of x comma y is equal to minus 1 comma minus 2, right? So this is your third coordinate. So guys, now we have 3 coordinate. We have to make a table. On this table we write the value of x and y. Your first coordinate is 0 comma 3, second coordinate is 1 comma 8, and third coordinate is minus 1 comma minus 2. So guys, this is one very simple question. Now we will plot a graph. For plot the graph, we will make a Cartesian plane. We see on the table, here we have positive and negative points. The positive value of x, this is 1, negative value of x, this is minus 1. Positive value of y, this is 8. Negative value of y, this is minus 2. So we will, this is the x-axis and this is y-axis, right? So plus y plus x minus x and minus y. So your value of x is 0, sorry, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The all points at equal distance, right? This is minus 1 to left side, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. These are the value of x, positive x and negative x. Now plus y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Value of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And downward this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Right? This is, ये है कार्टेशियन प्लेन और कार्टेशियन प्लेन के ऊपर सारी की सारी वैल्यू पुट कर दी आपने. नाउ वी हैव टू प्लॉट द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑन द कार्टेशियन प्लेन. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज ए, दिस इज 0,3. your value of x is 0 and value of y is 3. so this is your first point. X is 0 and y is 3. This is a point, right? Second is 1,8. your value of x is 1, this is 1, and value of y is 8, this is 8. so we draw the perpendicular on 1 and 8. both perpendicular meet at a point. This is your coordinate b and b is 1,8. after that you have third coordinate, this is minus 1 and minus 2. so x is minus 1 and y is minus 2. so when we plot the perpendicular, both perpendicular meet at a point. This is point C and we will write this C as minus 1, minus 2. so guys, हमने ये सारे पॉइंट बना दिए तीनों के तीनों. पहला पॉइंट है दिस वन A 0,3, right? your second point is B 1,8. second point is C minus 1, minus 2. now we will join the points. now by taking the scale, we see all the points in a same line. so very carefully you will join the points. you see that your line passing through these points and this is the linear equation, right? so guys, this is your solution of question number 4, exercise 4.3. so I hope you have been understand the topic and you will try this type of question and got good marks, right? so thank you, have a nice day.